Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is a new project coming up. Yeah, that's fine.
Had the rear end already painted under her. She'd already would look a little different with the painted rear end. She's got the one on the Camaro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we went to a store one day and we were driving it, and these kids come up to Kelly and they say, "That's a cool Camaro you got." And we laughed. We laughed. Okay, kid.
Yeah. The Trans Am. And there it is, guys. You saw them getting it down. This is a 1976 Trans Am, and it's gonna get a full paint job, full respray, and it is gonna be going black. We're gonna be getting those gaps aligned and having it ready. The owner of the car did put these quarters brand spanking new, and he did a really good job. All this is new. The entire trunk, inside the trunk, is new. Let me open it up so you can see it. There it is. Everything is brand new inside and out. So we're gonna make this car look the way it did in the movie. And yes, this is a movie car. Let me show you the paperwork on it, so that you can see which movie it came out on.
There's a 76. And I've
Yeah.
been looking for one for a long time, and I saw it. Anyway, long story short, and the guy worked out a deal.
And there it is. It came out in the movie Best of the Best Part 2. This is the exact same car, and we're gonna be doing it exactly how it came out in that movie. So we're gonna be working on it. All the interior has been done. Everything is dismantled, guys. He did put a brand new dashboard. Let me open the hood so that you can see that this car does not have a motor yet, but everything is ready. They do have the motor. It's been painted. It's ready to go inside the car. They're just waiting for me to finish with it. It just came in, so it's gonna take a while, but as you guys know, that we're gonna do a very good job on this. We're gonna remove the fenders, we're gonna remove doors, everything. The front end's gonna get removed. We're gonna align the gaps, make sure all these gaps are in order. So I'm gonna show you how that's gonna be done. It does not have a transmission either. The differential that it has, it's not the right one. They just installed a differential so that we can move it, but that's not the original one. That's not what's going to be going into this car. It's gonna have the original. They're working on that as we speak. We are going to be putting the bird, some people call it the chicken, but it is going to have that bird. It's going to have the decals. It's going to have brand new emblems. This car is gonna be real nice when we're done with it. The top I'm gonna have to probably sand down to bare metal. There's a lot of cracking on it. As you guys know, I do not like to put, if I see paint like this, like on my truck, if I see paint like this, I just remove it down to bare metal, start from scratch. We're gonna be cleaning up all this. So this is a good one, guys. It's a good one. Again, here we go. Let's start with this build. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing, guys, so that you can see this build and get yourself some little tips and tricks that I'm going to be using. But there it is. All right, guys, again, thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber. Hit that little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And like I always say, guys, stay safe and God bless.
Hands deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Masked up, fumes thicker than the workshop grind. Sandpaper prayers and a detailer's mind. Every coded lyric, layers so defined. Turn a clunker to a stunner, tattooed in design. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Midnight oil burns, streaks of sweat on the hood. Every flaw whispers, about to shine for good. Spray guns hum like the streets understood. Far away, birth speed, art where rust once stood. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from